Hi, I'm Kevin. Welcome to the show. Today we're going to talk about the ARB Premium Recovery Kit. Before we dive into this Premium Recovery Kit, I just want to say this was one of the first overlanding pieces of kit I actually got. And the one thing that's been reinforced to me, at least listening to a number of different professional overlanders, is you want to have a way to recover yourself. And you want to also give those who are rendering aid to you if your vehicle's stuck and you don't have a winch or you don't have the proper equipment to get yourself out. You want to at least give those people who are rendering aid to you at least an option to be able to help you out. And that's why I got the ARB Premium Recovery Kit as one of my first overlanding accessories. Now the first thing we need to start off with is this bag. This is a heavy-duty bag. This is waterproof, mud-proof, and their inside compartment has a section that you can pull out and clean out the mud and the water. It's also waterproof from the inside out. So if you got your recovery gear all wet, you put it in there, then you put it in your vehicle. It should keep your vehicle dry. Now, this comes with some heavy-duty straps. And this canvas on here is thick. I don't think I've seen a thicker canvas. The nice thing about this Premium Recovery Kit bag too is it comes with reflective striping on both sides of the bag. So wherever you set this bag at, if you happen to be on the side of the road or whatnot, the reflective tape should alert people to your presence up ahead. And also it's got a bright orange color too, so that's definitely an eye-catching thing as well if you're out in the rain. It does have two side compartments. They both have latches that you can secure to keep stuff in there. There is actually nothing in these two side compartments, so you can put extra gear or tools in the side. Now let's go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what's inside. You have very heavy-duty plastic straps here. I've taken this out on a number of different adventures, and I've not had any problems with the shoulder straps coming frayed or loosed. These have held up very well. Then you have another strap inside here to kind of hold it all together. On top, we have these heavy-duty gloves. Now, on first sight, they may seem like they're a little bit on the generic side, but I gotta say, they actually smell like real leather. And I'm pretty sure these are real leather. They feel like real leather and they smell like real leather. These are heavy-duty gloves. Even though they do have the appearance of being a little on the cheap side, these will do the job. These will allow you to grab a hold of something and not get any cuts to your hands. So real nice gloves that come with it. And after the gloves, let's get out the snatch strap. The snatch strap comes in a nice orange color. So again, it's something that's going to be very noticeable to people driving by or to those helping you. The cool thing about this is it's got a 17,500 pound minimum pull rating on it. So this is definitely very suitable for either a Jeep Cherokee or our Chevy Colorado. So very cool there. Next item is the tree strap. And these are extremely well packed into this canvas bag here. So it takes a little bit of effort to get them out. But here we have a nice bright neon green tree protector strap. You can wrap this around the tree to protect it if you need a winch off of a tree. So very cool that that's offered in the premium kit. And that's one of the reasons why I got this premium kit, was for the tree trunk protector. Because when I'm out in nature, I want to make sure that I'm not doing any more harm than I have to. And finally, for straps here, I tell you, these are packed in there tight. We have, in this very cool purple color, we have the winch extension strap. So this will give you a little extra length on your winch if you're way out, I guess in the desert, and you only got one tree in the desert. This will help you reach out and get that tree that's way out there. Now, the other cool thing that comes with it, and man, these are heavy duty, the Bow shackles. These are more heavier duty than I have seen in most 4x4 truck stores. This is typically the type of Bow shackle that I would see at a farm store for like a tractor or something. So this Bow shackle is weighted up to 4.75 tons. So pretty substantial Bow shackle here. And also does come with 2 Bow shackles. Same tonnage, 4.75 tons, rated type S. And again, these are heavy duty, more like for a tractor rather than a medium-sized truck. Now, the other cool thing that comes with this premium winch kit is the snatch block. This is another reason why I went with this premium recovery kit, was to get the snatch block. It's rated up to 20,000 pounds and it doubles the capacity of your winch. So again, if you're in a situation that you have to winch kind of in an oddball location and you have to winch off of a tree or you have to self-extract, this will reduce the wear and tear on your own winch system when you attach the snatch block to the whole system that's pulling your vehicle. So let's take a look at another item here in the kit. And this is the recovery damper. So you want to put this on either your winch or your winch extension strap. And if for some reason either one of those breaks, you have a damper on it, it should keep the lines, when they snap, it should keep them lower to the ground and reduce injury to those around you. So these are the items that come in the kit. And again, this is definitely a premium kit. Again, this saves me time from having to buy all this separately. It all comes in one kit. I'm ready to go if I get stuck. If somebody comes to help me out, I've got the equipment. They don't have to use their own equipment, which is very cool. And then it comes with this cool bag. So once again, this is the ARB Premium Recovery Kit. If you're interested in more information about this Premium Recovery Kit, there is a link in the description below. And if you have any further questions about this, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoy this type of review content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and we'll see you at the next review.